What's up, guys? Sorry about that. Whew. I don't know what happened there. After we had our interview with Raj, there were some technical difficulties there, and for some reason, my whole computer just froze. So we had to log off really quick and fix that. But we're back. I don't know. I think the commercial played before we got cut off there. I think the commercial played, so we should be good there. Let me just do a quick check. Change the display. Boom. All right. Well, what were we doing? We were going over our. I was about to go over our news training competition, which is going live right now. Right now. So let's dive right back into it. I'm sorry for that slight delay. If you guys were on the last live stream and you missed it, sorry. We're back. Back better than ever. Cross your fingers. No more technical difficulties, but the everything looks like it's working well. If everybody can hear me, perfect. You said you can't see nothing. Interesting. I don't know how you can't see anything. Huh, I'm on YouTube right now too, and I can see. Do you mean here? Yeah, no, you can hear. Oh, okay. So, okay. Scared me there. Don't do that to me. You scared me. I thought you couldn't see anything. Yeah, I could see fine on here. So, um okay. You guys scared me. All right. Well, yeah. Again, sorry if you missed it. Had a little bit of technical difficulties there, but we are back. So, let's get right into the news trading competition. Boom. That's the 750K. Right there. So we got 33 minutes left. We got a great analysis. I hope everybody trading in this competition was listening to Raj there and his great advice on what was going on or what's going on with the news. But right now in first place, we got DGD with a 6.02% return. We got Sachi99 in second place with a 5.69% return, and Samira in third place with a 5.26% return. Let's see what they've been trading. Um, oh. Yeah, Euro USD for first place, USD CAD for second, and USD CAD for third place. Very, very tight race here. I mean, between fourth to first place, we're about 1% behind. Second and third place are less than 1% behind. So anything can happen. We'll be keeping a close eye on that. What's up? What's up, Master Trades for Best? How are you doing? What's going on? Don't give me the bro Davin. You're gonna scare me here, okay? But wow, really, really great here. We got Freedom in fifth place, Alal in sixth, Brown Trade in seventh, Mulu in eighth, Ibra in ninth, and then Joseph King in 10th place. So really, really fast. Just so you remember, first place is going to get entrance in that $25 trading competition where we're giving away a minimum of $1,500. Second through fifth place are all going to get entrance into next week's $5 Profit Quest competition. So we'll keep an eye out on over here. And see what is what's going on. Again, if you guys weren't watching my last live stream, we have a $750,000 funded trading account, funded trading challenge competition. So we're giving away $750,000 worth of funded challenge accounts. Of course, up here you see, you didn't read that wrong. 112 prizes going to the top 100 people. The first 12 people are going to get two prizes, one from BullRush, one from Trade House Funds, and then the rest of the people are all going to get some promo credits. So we're giving away a lot of good stuff, and we have our Battle of the Bulls competition coming up starting on February 10th. I believe February 10th is Monday. Yeah, Monday, on Monday. So make sure you hop in that. We got some really great prizes here. This is another tournament. I know you guys love these tournaments, tournament style competitions, but we're giving out 30,000 credits to first place, 20,000 to second, 10,000 to third, and then 2.5K to fourth and fifth place respectively. Yeah, so make sure you hop in those competitions. Those are some really great competitions. And let's get into some more news. You know, we just talked about non-farm payroll. Previously, it was 256, forecasted at 169, and it came in much lower. Previously I had a wrong one written down. The adjusted one was actually 307, revised from 256. So that's interesting too. So it was actually a lot higher than we thought before. But 150 or 143,000 is the actual. I'm wondering what the revised will be next month. Maybe higher. So a little less than what was forecasted, and a lot less than what it was last month. So let's get into some other news really quick. Since we talked about non-farm, we got some interesting news coming out of India about the rupee. So the rupee reached record lows this week amid U.S. tariffs, and the Reserve Bank of India will likely need to step in. So on January 31st, 2025, so last Friday, the Indian rupee fell to an all-time low of 86.65 per US dollar, surpassing its previous record of 86.6475. Some reasons for this is probably the new impacts of the U.S. tariffs, the tariff threats. So the decline was influenced by concerns over the U.S. President Donald Trump's plans to impose tariffs on Canada and Mexico, with potential additional levies on China, leading to stronger U.S. dollar and a weaker Asian currency. Reserve Bank of India may intervene. So the state-run banks, likely acting on behalf of the Reserve Bank of India, sold dollars to mitigate rupee's depreciation, aiming to stabilize the currency. And of course, in January, foreign investors sold nearly $9 billion in Indian stocks and bonds, adding to the pressure of the rupee. The currency depreciated about 1.2% during the month, underperforming compared to regional peers. Upcoming, we have. Sorry if you guys hear a fire alarm. The building I'm in is doing some fire alarm testing, so that's what you hear there. So the rupee's future trajectory is expected to be influenced by India's federal budget announcement on February 1st and the development related to U.S. trade tariffs. Market participants anticipate continued volatility in the near term, and anybody looking at the rupee index or any of those rupee pairs, it's been volatile. So let me know, is anybody in the chat here? Does anybody here trade rupee? Anybody a rupee trader? Let's check out some charts. Let me pull the chart up here really quick. All right, I don't know what is going on here with my computer. For some reason, I am having trouble getting into GUI trades, so we'll save that for later. Let's do another update here on our competition. Oh my God. And we got some updates. So we got DGD in first place with 0.02% returns, trading mostly Euro USD. We got Sachi 99 in second place with 5.81% returns, only 0.21% behind from first place. And then we got Alal in third place with 1.62% returns. Or 4.4%. Sorry, 4.4% returns, 1.62% behind. Let's check out first place. 100% win rate there. So killer on the charts here. Let's look at somebody without 100%. Oh, look, top three have 100% win rate. Everybody's got a 100% win rate. Man. All right, 0% win rate here. Oh, okay, because no close. So these guys have no close trades. If you're ever wondering, if you're ever looking at people's accounts on BullRush, if you're looking at their account and most traded is blank and 0% win rate is blank, but you can see their current equity is up. You can see that he's got about 3% returns, 3.3% returns roughly, or 3.37% returns roughly. But, no close trades. So that could still go anywhere. He hasn't secured those wins yet. And, of course, we can't see what he's traded yet because although we're fully transparent, we're not going to give anyone's secret sauce away here. So DG in first place has closed quite a bit of lots here of trades. And mostly sells here on Euro USD. All of them sells here. The biggest one being $5,000 worth of returns on a 23 lot buy, and then he just did a bunch of sells there. So congratulations there. Let's see any updates again. Brown Trades moving up to 4th place. Molu moving up to 5th place. Joseph King moving up to 6th place. Seamazermite moving up to 10th place. So we got some really good, exciting things happening there. But I don't know. Sorry. Making sure my computer's not going to freeze here again. I don't want to redo this stream again. Wow, lots of excitement here happening. Do you guys want more of these news trading competitions? Obviously we do them every non-farm payroll. We'll do them for CPIs, but very, very exciting stuff right there. If you are in, I just wanted to mention one more thing here. Let's move over to the screen while I pull it up. If you are an influencer out there, and you have an audience, and or if you're just a friend, and you could get a few people to join, we have a new competition, a new program that where you can create your own influencer competition. So let me pull the PDF up here. So for influencer competitions, you can now run your own competition here. You can earn a percentage of the prize pool here. You can do completely custom setups here. You can choose your duration of the competition, how many participants, set all your rules, starting balances, maximum drawdown, daily drawdown, all of those great things. So if you are interested in creating your own competition and you're an influencer out there that wants to create your own competition, just email marketing@bullrush.com. That's marketing@bullrush.com, and we're happy to give you more information and get that set up for you. On some other news here really quick before we hop back into this competition and see if there's any updates, unless there's an update right now. Sachi, wow, Sachi 99 in second place now, only 0.01% away from first place. Brother, it looks like you've been hanging out here quietly. Let's see if you have any open trades. Yes. No. So you don't have any open trades right now. Wow. No open trades right now. I'd recommend maybe putting a trade in Sachi because, oh, nope, DG, nope, you went right back. You lost your edge there. So you're only 0.1% behind, but we do have people catching up here. We got DG in second place, only 0.84% behind. Joseph King came all the way from 10th place. If right from when we first turned this live stream back on, you were in 10th place. Now you're in third place with 1.46% behind from that first placer there. This is getting exciting. Othman here in fourth place, only 2% behind. Lots could change here. Joseph, let's see. Do you have any GBP USD? That's what you've been trading. Great job. Let's see. Euro USD and USD CAD. Man, these are all so close. Make sure anybody in this competition trading with these skills here, make sure you hop into that 750K traded or funded challenge account competition by Trade House Funds. Now, my favorite part of the show, our crypto segment. We're going to talk about some new updates on crypto, which is very, very interesting coming to the market here. So MicroStrategy, the big dog in crypto. Everybody knows MicroStrategies. Not everybody loves it, but you either love them or hate them. MicroStrategies is the big dog in crypto. But some interesting news coming out this week from MicroStrategies. So first, MicroStrategies has rebranded. So they have rebranded themselves to just Strategy. Took out Micro because now they got so much Bitcoin, can't be associated with Micro. I'm surprised they didn't change it to MacroStrategy. But right now, they've rebranded themselves to just Strategy, reflecting its focus on Bitcoin and artificial intelligence. The new branding includes a stylized B logo and the orange color scheme symbolizing its commitment to Bitcoin. Let me just pull up their new logo here so you guys can see. So right there, that is their new cookies. That is their new logo now. Strategy B, same Bitcoin. Same Bitcoin logo and Bitcoin color scheme. So interesting. MicroStrategy is now Strategy. So, but that's not all, folks. There's more on this. So not only did they rebrand, but they've changed their holdings. So in quarter 4 of 2024, the company reported a loss of $3.03 per share compared to a profit of 56 cents per share the same period the previous year. So they're a little bit of a downward trajectory. Obviously, we all know quarter 4 was one of the best quarters and one of the worst quarters for Bitcoin. Lots of volatility, but volatility is either makes or breaks a company like this. And revenue declined 3% to 120.7 million, missing analyst expectations of 122.4 million. Not the worst miss, only 2 million off, but when you're dealing with millions, that's still 2 million off of your earnings. So as of the end of 2024, Strategy, my brain keeps wanting to say MicroStrategies, but Strategy held approximately 446,400 Bitcoins. The company continues to view Bitcoin as a primary treasury reserve asset. Strategy purchased approximately $20.4 billion in Bitcoin over a 12-week period from November 11th to January 27th. According to the SEC filings from the company, as of February 2nd, Strategy holds 471,107 Bitcoin acquired for about $30 billion at an average of $64,000 a Bitcoin. Chairman Michael Saylor said online the company did not purchase any additional Bitcoin for the week ending in February 3rd. So that would be, I believe, one of the first weeks they did not purchase Bitcoin. Another news out of Strategy launched a new convertible preferred stock on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol STRK, offering a 9% dividend yield. The offering raised $563 million on opening, which the company plans to use to further invest in Bitcoin and related technologies. So very interesting there. Offering 9% dividend yield. That's very, very good. That's similar to a lot. That's up there on long-term investment offerings out there. Gone are the days of buying a CD at the bank and getting your 2% returns, 3% returns. BlackRock has increased its ownership. Another big name out there, BlackRock, the big dog in owning everything. BlackRock has increased its ownership stake in Strategy to 5%, indicating growing institutional interest in the company's Bitcoin-focused strategy. I actually believe, let me look this up before I say the wrong thing, but I believe they've been investing in Bitcoin by itself. Yeah, so BlackRock's IBIT, which is iShares Bitcoin Trust Holdings, holds about 585,852 Bitcoin, which would be valued at about $58,157,000,000 and some change. We'll do the hundreds of thousands of dollars and change, but yeah, about $58 billion worth of Bitcoin. So only makes sense, if again, not financial advice, but if you see the guys with billions of dollars investing in something, there's got to be a little bit of worth in it. So very interesting news out of there. Let me know what do you guys think about the name change to Strategy and they're stopping buying Bitcoin, which is very interesting because a lot of people. What's the current price of Bitcoin right now? Current price is 97,000. So it's on sale. I'm surprised, but I have. I'm gonna stop buying some Bitcoin right now too. Maybe pause my investments there. Let's get back into this competition though. Enough of me just rambling. Let's see what we got. So we had Sachi, DG, and Joseph King. Let's see how that changes once we hit refresh. Joseph King, my boy. First place now with 6.72% returns. And then we got Sachi 99 in very close behind with 0.08% returns. Based on your equity there, it looks like you have started to open some more positions there. We got Deji D in third place with 6.02% returns, or 0.70% behind. Joseph King, let's see what you've been doing here, brother. Only traded, so that's very interesting. So you only traded 44 lots. So you've been doing a lot of small lot transactions there. What Sachi here was first place. Let's see what. $141 lots, just for example, for second place, and then DGD 83.7 lots. Yeah, you're in first place. So still no more closed trades, but I think we can see here now. Oh nope, you haven't placed any more trades. So looks like he's just coasting and hoping that Sachi and Joseph King overtrade and end up falling further down the leaderboard here. What's up, everybody on TikTok? I see you guys. Sorry, it was a separate chat here for everybody watching on TikTok. How are you guys doing? Francisco, what's up, Francisco? Yes, we love BullRush. All right, great. Joseph King, 7 points. Let's see if anything else is happening. How much time we have left on this competition? We got about 11 minutes left on this competition. And now we have Sachi in first place. Oh my gosh. They're just trading. Oh, did he place another? Yes. Oh, I keep mixing up Sachi and the third placer here, DGD. Okay, so 7% returns here now. We got Joseph in second place with 6.8% returns. Who will win? Right now, anybody watching in the chat, I'm gonna give away some promo credits to anybody who can guess who the winner is right here. Someone guess who the winner is. If you're right, but you have to do it within the next 30 seconds, I'll say. So what's the timer here? So by the time this gets to 10:10, if someone puts a prediction on who the winner is, either Sachi, Joseph King, GGD, Ibra, Samira, CBJ, any of these people in the top 10, give me your prediction, and I might throw you a little prize like some promo credits or something. See what's going on. Nobody wants to win, huh? All right. I tried, man. I tried giving out some stuff. So I guess no giveaway. But what's up, all 36 people? You guys watching? Hyped to see you guys here. We still got Sachi. Let's do another refresh. See what changed here. And Joseph King. Oh my gosh. And Sachi's in third place now. So we got Joseph King in first place with 6%, 6.08% returns. Same amount of returns. So he hasn't been doing much, but DGD now in second place with 6.02% returns, and now we got Sachi 99 in third place with 5.38% returns. What changed here? What's happening? All right, yeah, he's just placing more and more trades here. We can see he has an open trade going on right now, so we'll see how that works for him. Sachi, what's going on with you? Yep, and he's placed another trade as well. Oh, that's who I just looked at. Yes, and DJD just chilling there. He's only placed 83 lots over 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and he's just hanging out there again, just waiting, hoping that these two guys over trade. But right now, Joseph King is taking the lead, a 0.7% lead over Sachi 99. Sachi 99 and Joseph King are just battling it out here in the BullRush arena here. Let's see a little below here, Ibra. Let's see if anybody's going to be catching up. We got Ibra 002 here in fourth place. No closed trades. Are you kidding me? Whole time, probably. I wish I could at least tell you how many lots he's placed or something, but looks like he's just placed one trade or a few trades, and he's going to let them close at the end of this competition. But you've been slowly moving up here. We got Chart Galuva, we all really familiar name for anybody who watches these lives, moving up to 6th place. We got Brian in 10th, CBJ 316 in 9th, Samira in 8th, just been hanging around the top 10 here, Samira, and we have Dung Tran in 7th place. Let's give this another refresh, Sharoni, and see what's going on here. So we got Joseph King still standing strong in first place here, and Sachi 99 close behind, 0.65% behind now. Average trade duration is only 6 minutes long. See what Joseph's average trade duration is, 6 minutes here. And then let's check out DG. Only 1 minute. Wow. So all these trades were only held for about 1 minute. That was the average, if not less. Let's give it another refresh here. Getting exciting here. 6 minutes left. Sure I don't have any other news stories here to cover. Oh. Make sure you, let me go on your YouTube. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel. I've been releasing these educational videos every single week. We started out with just what is Forex, how Forex works, which is just a little bit of an elaboration of what Forex is, what is a pip. This week we'll be releasing another video on what when not to trade. Everybody always wants to know, when do I trade? When do I start trading? When do I put my position in? Now I'm going to tell you when not to trade, because guess what? Most of the losing trades come from people trading when they're not supposed to be trading, and it's kind of ironic because one of those things is news events. But, you know, as a beginner trader, stay away from those news events. That's a little quick piece of advice. And for any of these 27,000 people that watched our Wall Street interview here, we have another interview coming out hopefully this week. I have our team working on the editing of that. We want to make it perfect for you guys. Should be coming out this week, but yeah, it's going to be a new series. We've been going to some colleges, interviewing some college kids, seeing how much they know about Forex, seeing how much they know about crypto. On this video, I'll give you a hint. Since we're here in sunny South Florida, we went to my old stomping grounds, Florida Atlantic University, and we did some interviews with my boy Matt in customer service. Some really good interviews, some good content there, and test your skills. See how much you know. All these questions that we take for all of our street interviews and our little street competitions, you may call them. We take directly from our trivia competition. So if you missed our trivia competition this morning, make sure you hop back and you don't miss the next one. We have them every Friday at 8 a.m. You must be in the competition at 8 a.m. to join or to compete. If not, you're just setting yourself up to lose because you won't have the ability to answer all of those questions. And of course, that correlates directly to your trading. You know, if you can't be there right when you need, at the right time when you need to place the right trade, then you already set yourself up for failure. So be there on time. Be there 8 a.m. Be there at 7:58 a.m. next Friday, just to make sure you're early, get your trivia knowledge ready, and compete in that competition. Let's give it another refresheroni and see what's going on here. Joseph King still in first place with 7.48% returns, but we got Sachi 99 in second place, only 0.09% behind, less than 0.1% behind. Will Sachi come up? Will Sachi overtake our guy over here? I guess we'll find out in about 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes and 32 seconds left. Remember this right now. Joseph King, Sachi 99, Deji D, Ibra 02, and CBJ. CBJ 316 is coming up quick. My boy, you were in like 10th place just a few minutes ago. Now you're in 5th place. Will CBJ 316 come up and take that first place spot? I'm going to make my prediction right now here. I'm going to say CBJ makes it all the way to I'm going to say CBJ makes it to 3rd place, DG's 4th place, Ibra's 5th place. That's going to be my first my prediction here for at the end of this 2 minutes. I'm going to say Joseph King 1st place, Sachi 99 2nd place, CBJ 316 in 3rd place, Deji in 4th place, and then Ibra is going to move down to 5th place. Let's give it a refresh, see how close I am. Same thing. Nothing's changed, but now Sachi is a little further behind, 0.65% behind. My boy CBJ is a little closer, 2.53% behind, and then Ibra is 2.23% behind. Very, very close race here. DGD is 2.02% behind. Very, very interesting. Of course, no more trades still, just hanging out. I think Deji D has logged off for the day. He set his trades. He made a couple grand there. He made about 6% returns, and he logged off and said everybody else is going to gamble and overtrade. Well, we're about to find out if you're right and if this is the winning strategy. I always say do not overtrade, but of course, if you're falling behind like Deji is here, he was in 1st place. He had a solid grasp here in 1st place. And, you know, he could have kept it if, you know, he just had a few more trades there. So we got 1 minute and 37 seconds left. Let's give it another refresh. Anything change? Oh my gosh, and Ibra has overtaken Deji D. So Ibra is now in 3rd place, 1.93% behind from Joseph King. Sachi 99 is slowly falling behind with 0.97% behind from Joseph King now. And Joseph King is still at the top of the leaderboard here with 8.36% returns. One thing to note here, this is probably, although we don't encourage gambling and we don't want people to gamble and trade, obviously a 1 hour competition is going to be the closest thing to a gambling competition just because it's such a short competition. You have to make quick decisions and all that. But even on these competitions, you see first place here has 8.36% returns. Not like some of these other competitions that have very crappy rule sets and very crappy back end. They're set up very jankily, and people are getting 1,000% returns, 1,500% returns. Not at BullRush. We really, we are a trading competition platform. We're not a prop firm. We're not brokerage, so we don't have to focus on perfecting those things. We are a trading competition platform, so we have perfected trading competitions, and we have the best, the most fair trading competitions on the internet on this planet. Can't talk about other planets, but specifically Earth, best trading competition platform on Earth. So you're not going to see these weird, wonky, 1,000%, 500% returns, because guess what? This isn't blackjack. This isn't roulette. This is trading. And at the end of the day, in the real world, you have to be a good trader to be a good trader. You have to know good strategies. You have to have, like we talked about with Raj, trading psychology. You have to have all these things implemented to be a good trader. So, just tooting my own horn here. But we're done. We're done. So let me get a little refresh. Let's get the final count here. So we got Joseph King in first place, 9.46% returns and $109,000 worth of equity, riding that GBP USD wave. We got Ibra02 in second place with 7.45% returns and 1.91% behind Joseph King. Joseph King, you were just pulling ahead like no other. We got Sachi 99 in third place, 7.3. So I guess my prediction was not good. Where did my CBJ right here, seventh place. So you went down a little bit. So my prediction was not good. All good. Everybody's a winner here. Let's look at all the winners, top 5 people here. We got DG in 5th place, 6% returns, 3.4% back from first place. Samira, 6.41% returns, 3% back from first place. Sachi, 99, 7.33% returns and 2.12% back. And then Ibra, 02, 7.54% returns or 1.91% back from first place. And then, of course, our king right now of the news competition, Joseph King, with 9.46% returns. And, at the end of the day, did not over trading and just making a couple trades work out? No. Deji, you ended up in 5th place. You still won a prize, so you ended up in one of the paid places, but no prize there. Don't forget that we also have our leaderboard here. So we have our XP total leaderboard. Master Trades for Best, who was in this live chat, is at the top of our leaderboard overall. So this is the king of BullRush right now. We got Dre XJ in second place with 133,000 XP points. Master Trade for Best is so far ahead with 207,000 XP points. And then we got Josman in third place with 132,000 XP points. Very good, guys. Don't forget, we're giving away prizes every single month for our monthly XP leaderboard. Joseph King actually won first place in our last one. So you're going to get, for placing first place on the monthly leaderboard, remember, monthly, not the total leaderboard, monthly. First place is going to get $750 cash. Bang, Buddha, wop, bop. Just deposit into your account at the end of the month. I believe we'll deposit it on the 1st. So for February, we'll deposit it on March 1st into your account. First place gets $750. I had to make sure. So first place gets $750, second place gets $200, and third place gets $100. While we're on this trivia. Wow, beautiful graphic. But yeah, remember, first place $750, second place $250, third place $100, and then while we're here, Make sure you join our 750K. I'm going to say it one more time because this is a competition of a lifetime here. Make sure you join this 750K Trade House Funds competition. I'll give you guys another little thing here. So if you go to Trade House Funds right now, you go to their website, you click on Trade House Funds, and you fill it out, pick what kind of assessment you want, what kind of account you want, where you want to trade, and you go to right here and you put in, I gotta fill it all out. I'm not gonna fill it all out, but if you fill everything out and when you buy your challenge account, and this applies to any challenge account, whether it's a $25,000 challenge or a $250,000 challenge, put in code BullRush and you are going to get 20% off on your challenge account, any challenge account. So just go on Trade House Funds. I believe it is tradehousefunds.com. Yep, go to tradehousefunds.com and put in code BullRush, and you're going to get 20% off on your challenge. Boom. And, if you don't want to buy it right now, join this competition and make sure that you end up on the top, because we're giving away a lot of prizes. 12 people on this are going to be at least $25,000 funded challenge account richer. So at the very least, and one person is going to have a $250,000 challenge account, funded challenge account under their belt. So just so you know, this is not a BullRush challenge. This is not, if you get a $250,000 challenge account, that doesn't mean that if you pass the account like a BullRush challenge, you're not going to get 3x or 2x of $250,000. You're going to get if you pass your $250,000 funded challenge account, you're going to get a $250,000 funded prop firm account where you'll be able to trade with that and get a percentage of your profit split, when you cash out. So 750K Trade House Funds competition, biggest competition we've ever had to date, I've ever seen. I'm jealous. I wish I could compete, but we already got 797 people in there. So make sure you join that before it gets too packed, and cop in one of these other competitions in the meantime and improve your strategy. Of course, this weekend starting at 5 p.m. today, if you're a crypto lover like me, we got our crypto weekend starting at 5. It's every weekend from 5 p.m. on Saturday to 5 p.m. on Sunday. So make sure you hop into that competition. We have a Profit Quest starting on Sunday at 5 p.m. as well. So make sure you hop on into that. That is only $5 to enter. And just look at this. So with these paid competitions, one thing to make note of is, yes, you have to pay. Not everything in life is free, right? But the best things in life come at a price. So this is we're giving away a $1,000 minimum prize pool. $1,000 minimum prize pool. If we look at the prizes here, first place is going to get 75% of that. So that's $750 for first place, $150 for second place, and $100 for third place. And for only $5, you have the opportunity to win that. And remember, as soon as it reaches a threshold, every additional registered trader in there is going to add to that prize pool. So that prize pool is only going to go up. And if you look at like the comparison here, our $750,000 funded account has almost 1,000 people in that already. It's 800 people, right? Ton of people, 12 prizes. Here right now, it's about to start on Sunday. We only got 23 people in that. So guess what? You have such a huge opportunity to win here. Instead of competing against hundreds of people, you're competing against 23 people here. So make sure you hop in there. This is one of the easiest times. I in my personal life play poker, and when I go play poker, I look at some of these competitions that are $1 to enter, $5 to enter for a poker competition, and I look and I'm like, all right, well, they're giving away $5,000, but there's 600 people competing in the tournament, and the top 20 places get paid, but 600 people I got to compete at in poker to win, right? I'd much rather join a poker tournament that's $20 to enter, where they're giving away $5,000, and the top 10 places are paid. But when I go in that tournament, instead of 600, 700, 800, 1,000 people in that all competing for those 20 prizes, I'm only competing against 50 to 70 people. and I have way higher chances. So yeah, I might not, just logically, this is a no-brainer. $5 to potentially win up to $750 for first place. 150 for yeah, 150 for second, and $100 for third. If you're not in this, I don't know what you're doing. Instead of getting your $5 Starbucks or a $5 McDouble or quarter pounder at McDonald's, hop into this competition. And on that note, we also have our February trading competition. Same thing as that. $25. You could still join this competition for $25. There's only, out of all the people that joined, there's only 9 people. Now, this is an opportunity. There's only 9 people left in this competition. You can hop in this competition for $25. And again, just like the other one, first place is going to win 50%. So out of $1,500, first place is going to win $750. Second place is going to win 20%. Third place is going to win 15%. Fourth place 10%, and fifth place 5% of the grand total prize pool. And just like the other prize pool, this is a dynamic prize pool. So the more people that enter this competition, the higher the prize pool is. You say, Davin, I'm going to make this deal even better for you. You say, Davin, I don't want to put $25 in there and then I get disqualified or something like that and I lose my $25, even though I'm only competing against 9 people. So that's almost 50% of the people right now are going to make their money back. 50% of the people in this competition are making their money back, and you can still join it. So this is a no-brainer, but I'm going to make it even sweeter for you. If you want to join this competition, use code AMA promo when you're depositing money into the system, and I'm going to double what you put in there. You put $25 in there, I'm going to throw in another $25 worth of promo credits that you can use to enter competitions as well. Give me some feedback. Give me a reason why you can't enter now. Huh? I'm going to give you $25 of promo credits if you enter $25 in there. Just make sure you use this code on the top, AMA promo. And we're going to match it. So now you don't even have to worry about, I'm gonna get disqualified, I'm gonna lose this. Boom. Guess what? Go ahead and buy a challenge. Buy one of our challenges and double that money or triple that money up, or join another competition, because now you got 2 chances to win freaking $750. I'm getting mad now that I can't compete. Like, I almost want to hop in this, because this 9 people in this competition. These guys, 9 people. Homie up here, Eric, I can't even say your name, but you're about to win $750 just because people are scared. People don't want to make money. Like, what? You guys want to make money, or you guys want to just hang out? Make money, hop in that competition. Before I go too much of a rant, it's been a great time talking. I went a little over. We went about 10 minutes over. I know we had some technical difficulties. That's why I wanted to give you guys some more time. I appreciate all 50 people watching this right now, and I appreciate all 35,000 BullRush traders. We're almost at 36,000 traders. It feels amazing. I remember the day when we were only at 1,000. I remember when I first joined, we had less than 100 people on the platform. So much growth since then. So many more competitions coming up now. Woo! Almost knocked down my mic. So much good stuff coming. If you didn't get my point for me ranting this whole time, use code AMA promo. I'm going to double up what you put in there up to $50. It's a no-brainer here with this. Man, I can't believe 9 people. 50% of that, what is 5% of, do some math here. $50% are going to at least win $75, with the biggest person winning $750. How can you, for $25, man, $75? The person probably that does the least worst, because I guarantee you more people are going to get disqualified. So, I mean, my guy, join that competition. It's a no-brainer there. Use code AMA promo code to join. Don't forget to follow us if you're watching this on YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, BullRush Comp. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter, or sorry, Instagram and TikTok at BullRush_comp. Follow our how-to guide. So if you ever have any questions about BullRush, if you have any questions on how to, if the question starts with how to, go to BullRush at BullRush Competition on YouTube. We have all of our BullRush walkthroughs, all of how to become an affiliate, how to earn with BullRush, how to do challenges, competitions, everything, how to download BullRush as an app. If anybody didn't know that, do it in 3 easy steps. Go to BullRush on the webpage, on your phone, on Safari or whatever web browser you use. If you don't get prompted to download it, click the share button at the bottom and then click add to home screen. Name it whatever you want. I always name it best trading platform on the planet because that's what it is. And then boom, you have BullRush as an app on your phone. So if you haven't done that, do that. But check out BullRush Competition for any of those walkthroughs. And then, of course, don't forget to check out at BullRush Comp if you're not watching this on YouTube right now. If you are, you're watching it on the channel. Check out our other videos. But if you're not, check out BullRush Comp where we have all of our educational BullRush Academy videos. We have these live streams and clips from these live streams. We have interviews that we do, and we have some those street interviews and some funny videos on there as well. And of course, our weekly Grind My Gears. I've had a great time. Besides a little bit of technical difficulties here earlier, but I've had a great time. I appreciate you guys. Have a safe weekend. Stay safe. Happy trading. Don't forget to trade, compete, win. Use code AMAN, promo code for 100% deposit bonus. And I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.